Hi, I'm Matthew Reda, technical consultant with Platinum Q, and today I'm going to show a way that I use AI to help me be a little bit more efficient as a Salesforce consultant. So I'm going to pop into Salesforce here, and I've gone ahead and created this visual force page here, which displays a quote preview. So we have a custom object here that kind of pulls in some information from our quote record, our opportunity, as well as our account and contact. So I've set up a Apex class controller to pull in some of this information here. And we can just take a quick look at that. So this is going to be our controller, which is going to grab that information for us. And what I've done is opened up Claude here. And I've just had a conversation back and forth. And really what I've done is just simply pasted in the Apex controller, asked it to go ahead and create a test class for us. It's gone through and created a couple versions. I provided some feedback, so there was an error that we were receiving. But for the purpose of time, I just went ahead and did all of this prior. So I'm going to go ahead and copy our code here and open up our Apex classes. So in here, I have a quote PDF preview controller test. This is where I'm going to paste this code in. And if we pop into our dev console, just to show that I don't have anything currently in there as well. So if we go to our new run, go ahead and open up our quote PDF preview controller test, nothing's showing up for us. And if we pop back, I'm now going to go ahead and edit this. Now, one thing to note is when you are working with an AI tool, make sure you've gone ahead and reviewed the code. I previously looked at this code before I started this recording just so we knew it was safe. But anytime you're using a tool like that, you don't want it inserting anything malicious or anything harmful. As well as if you're sharing any code, make sure that you're not sharing anything that's sensitive information. So we can go ahead and save this. I'm going to pop back to our developer console. Let's close this out here and do our test new run. We can now see those classes are showing up for us, so let's go ahead and run those. Give this a couple seconds here to run for us. And let's go ahead and open up and see what we got here for our quote preview. So we can see it ran. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. So it looks like everything ran successfully except our first one here. And I'm just going to take a preview here. So our quote PDF controller. So it looks like 89 out of 97 lines are covered. We have 91% coverage. So now this is something where I would go back and share this error with Claude, ask it to improve this, or you can pop in to your test class as well here. So it looks like we're getting a restricted error from one of our pick lists, so we could go in and update this code. Thanks for joining. That's one way that I like to use AI to help me be a little bit more efficient when it comes to creating test classes. Thank you.